Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore tips and tricks for mastering Microsoft Excel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to center text without merging cells in Excel. It's a common challenge, but for now, we have a simple script that will help you achieve this, so let's dive right in. To center text without merging cells, follow these steps. Select the range of cells that you want to center the text in. Remember, you can select multiple cells by clicking and dragging your mouse across the desired range. Great! Once you have your cells selected, it's time to move on the next step. Right-click on the selected range and choose Format Cells from the context menu. This will open the Format Cells dialog box where we can make the necessary formatting adjustments. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Alignment tab. Here you'll find various alignment options for your text. Under the horizontal section, select Center Across Selection option. This option allows you to center the text across multiple cells without merging them. Now click on the OK button to apply the formatting changes. And just like that, your text is now centered without merging cells. That's it for today's video. You've learned how to center text without merging cells in Excel. With this technique, you can maintain the functionality of individual cells while achieving a clean and organized appearance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.